You know how you see girlies all the time that are like, I got a package and I have no idea where it's from? I have never been that girl, but today I am. So let's unbox a package that I have no idea where it's from. The lippies. Oh, so this is from Yes Style. It is a Korean beauty kind of, it's kind of like it's like an Amazon, but for Korean beauty. And I am now one of their influencers or representatives, whatever you want to call it. And I got some lip products to try. So the first one is the Ink Velvet by Peri Peri. I've heard really good things about this brand, but these are all lippies. And I also have another really big package coming. It's in the shade Enjoy Mute. Look how cool that bottle is. That's what it looks like. And there's the applicator. Ooh, that is very moussey. Alright, we'll have to do like a try on. This next one is from Row and ND. It is the Juicy Lasting Tint. Very cute packaging. That one's a little more silky. And then I got another one in the shade Almond Rose. Oh, is this one actually sealed? That's why I go from the bottom. See, you don't have to worry about the sealing and stuff because the bottom's never sealed. This one, both very pretty. This one's a little more browny, the other one's more pinky. And then this last one is a also from Peri Peri Velvet and Ink Velvet in Rosy Nude. That is such a cool bottle. I don't know, I've heard so much about Korean skincare that I'm very interested in trying more of the makeup. It's very moussey and light. Let me know which one you want me to see try on camera. But I'm very excited.